My dear Dasarians, the non-Brahmins, Vanakkam. Be proud to be Shudras, since your ancestors earned this title not because they were born as a low caste as described by the evil Varnashrama theory, but because they found the formulae, the Shudras, to reach God. Let us see what Krishna, Kannapiran in Tamil, the very great Sutradhari, says in one of his sutras, the Gunatraya Vibhaga Yogam. The Lord conceives in the great vagina of God. All life is produced from it. The cause is, I am the Father who gives seed to all life born in the wombs. The effect is the vagina of God. There are three qualities derived from nature: Sattvam, Rajasam and Tamasam. These are the ones that bind the immortal life to the body. Sattvic quality is pure and bright. It binds because of the attachment to happiness and knowledge. Rajasam is of desirous form. It is creating cravings. It binds because of the attachment to activities. Tamasam quality is ignorance. It is giving mental fainting. It binds because of the inattention, lethargy and sleep. All the three will try to prevail, suppressing one and the other too. When Sattvam is dominant, the light of knowledge shines in all the gates of this body. When Sattva prevails, the one who dies will reach the immaculate worlds where the wise go. When the Rajasam is dominant, the dying person is born in the place of the soldiers. He who dies in a state of Tamasam character will be born in the womb of fools. When man realizes that there is no one alone who directs except qualities, he knows God above qualities. He who overcomes these three qualities that have made the body is free from the sorrows of birth, death and seniority and attains the immortality. When Dravidian Arjunan asked about the identity, behavior and manner of crossing these three qualities, Lord Kannan, the Dravidian incarnation, explains. When it comes to light, action and seduction, he does not hate them nor regrets them when he is relieved. Being merely a spectator, he is not haunted by these qualities. He is unshaken, thinking that qualities work. He will stand in his nature, treating suffering and pleasure, part stone and gold, sweets and bitterness, contempt and praise, pride and shame, and friend and enemy as equals. He will not start an action by himself. He is the one who transcends the three qualities. He who worships me with unchanging devotion will be able to transcend the three qualities and attain the state of God. Thus preaches the non-Brahmin Guru Krishna to non-Brahmin disciple Arjunan. Om Nandri Vanakkam.